Wowee, look at this spike right here, Lhdx. This seems to be at the top of everyone's watch list right now. Let's look at it, let's judge it, and let's talk about what could possibly happen from here on out. Alright, hey there friends, it's Wednesday and the market it's doing okay. A lot of stocks moving around right now, chasing these penny stocks, chasing these shorts, and chasing these companies that are having big push-ups right at the end of their life. So this stock right here, obviously, just the past few days, we have seen massive growth. The 24th of February, it was sitting at 14 cents. And then by the 28th, it was up to 93 cents. Massive volume, massive push, massive aggressive buy-in right there. Since then, we've had sell-off. Not a lot. Let's be clear about that. It's still doing pretty good. So today being Wednesday, we still got Thursday, Friday here in the market, and the question is, with this stock in particular, where can it go from here? So the big news that broke here is that the company received FDH approval for their at-home rapid test detector for COVID and all that kind of stuff. So this is big news, and what's the long-term effect of this stock? I don't know that people are even buying into this right now for like long-term gain. I don't know what the majority is out there. If you are, great, let me know. I'm curious. I think the majority of people here that are buying in right now and maybe sitting around, maybe they're bag holding, maybe they're up and they're good and they're like, I'm kind of curious where else this could go from this point on. I will say this, and I don't want to be negative, I just want to let's just talk about what honestly this looks like right here. So we're looking at a stock that was in trouble. We're looking at a company that was looking at a reverse split not long ago, and possibly still is. I mean, let's be honest here, unless it can keep this momentum going. I mean, we haven't even hit $1 here yet, so we need $1. But saying that too, the big question is, what I was going into was, I'm assuming this whole COVID situation, people wanting, at-home test, this is still going to be around, and it's not going anywhere. So it's good for the company and good for you as an investor, because people are going to be buying this product and putting money in, the pockets of the company, which goes to the investor as well. So it's definitely got the attention of investors right now. The question is how long can people hold on here with patience and allowing their money to sit in here with this huge spike up? Now, normally, I'm going to be quite honest, when we see massive spike up like this, I mean, let's look at this volume right here. On the 21st, we had this 3 million volume. Next day, 5 million. And then things start spiking up here on the 23rd of February, 27 million volume. Next day, 24th, 81 million volume. And then the 27th, here's when we start hitting our big volume patches right here. Right under 300 million, next day right under 300 million. Today, right around the same numbers. Not as much, but still doing very well in trading hands like we want it to be trading. Now, the company was expecting this approval back in August of 2022. And it's just now happening. That this is one big factor of why the stock has been falling apart here, because investors have been like, you know what, I'm done. I'm cleaning my hands of this. I don't want to be a part of this anymore. And then this news broke, and it really got people's attention. And the other big thing is, what everyone's kind of saying too, for the long-term aspect of this is like, is COVID going to be a money maker for companies like this in the future? Or is it, it's going to be a money maker, but it's not going to be like billions upon billions of money makers. So where this stock goes, I don't know. I have always been very suspicious of medical stocks and pharmaceutical stocks. They pump, they dump, they get beat up, and they have no mercy on investors. So this is not a video where I'm telling you, like, throw your whole savings account in this. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying, yeah, you might want to be careful here. You might want to. This thing might fall apart real fast. But I do find it curious that today it held its ground at a strong 80 cent mark. Not a lot of wiggle room today. And I mean, hey, it broke into this almost $1.40 today. So we broke into $1.40. We fell back down to an 80-cent range. Hopefully this stock can walk its way back up to $1, and hopefully the company keeps talking about what they've got going on here news-wise with their product. I mean, this is the main thing they've got right now. They need to talk about this product, make videos about the product, keep talking about the product, so we don't have to talk about the stock falling apart more. So friends, like I said, I personally, this is a little too risky for me. It's already had so much push, so much gain. Let me know what you're thinking of it. I'm just watching from the sidelines with my pom-poms, cheering for people making money off of it. I'm happy. I'm glad people are doing well in it. I do know people got caught in it today. I know there's people that bought in at $1, $1.20, even an 80-cent zone, and they're a little worried right now, and that's okay. That's what it is. But tomorrow will tell us 100% where this thing is going, probably the next few weeks. I really think tomorrow, if we see another spike up tomorrow, which I don't know that we are, but if we do, it's going to be a really good sign that, hey, maybe this thing has got some life in it. Investors really trust us again. They like where this is going. And hey, this product that they made, this is unique. So it could be big money here in the future, especially if you're looking for something for a long-term investment. So friends, all that said, I will let you go. Like I said, let me know what you're thinking of this. I really am curious if people are in this for a short, pump and dump and gone, or are you thinking like, hey, I'm going to stay in this for a while and see what happens. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.